Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the Walmart dimension. That's right guys, and we're hopefully going to be doing some absolutely amazing Walmart shopping. I'm talking picking up an Xbox One, picking up a PC, and hopefully picking up a few copies of Minecraft, because I really love Minecraft, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 blue wool. You want to go ahead, you want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your blue wool, just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 blue wool, and then 1 white wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down. Son of a turkey, that hurt. Now you just want to place 3 blue wool on this side, 2 blue wool in the middle, and then you just want to go ahead and place 1 white wool on the edge. And now you can go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now it's time to go ahead and light this baby up with your flint and steel. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would make me want to scroll down and hit that red subscribe button. But now it's time to head on in to this dimension, guys. Oh my gosh! Wow! That is an absolutely humongous Walmart. Oh my gosh, I wasn't even expecting it to be that big, guys. And oh my god, what is that? Is that a semi-truck beside the Walmart, guys? Let's go ahead and head on over to that, guys. Let's see what kind of goodies they got in the back. Hopefully they have like some Xbox Ones and some copies of Minecraft and all that good stuff I like, guys. Lava. This is so disappointing. What do you think about it, Pig? Is there any Minecraft copies? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Wow, he's a goner. He's a goner, guys. Oh my gosh. Whoa, is that the ghost of my pig? I am not going around that. I am not going around that, because he might try to do some stuff to me after what I did to him, guys. That's pretty crazy. But look at these 2 chickens. They look very happy after shopping in Walmart. Obviously, they went like back to school shopping or something, guys. I think it's my time. I think it's my time to shop inside my local Walmart, guys. Hopefully, I can find like some Minecraft t-shirts and, you know, like some good perk chops, because I love perk chops, guys. And these must be the carts. Pretty nice setup right here. They actually have those carts. It's not like my Walmart. My Walmart, the carts are like scattered everywhere, guys. But these villagers, they know what they're doing. Although there's nothing in the cash register, that's a little iffy. I was expecting like some diamonds or some emeralds or something to be in the cash register. But they must have just cleared it out, guys, and like put it all in the bank truck or something. But let's go ahead and ask this gentleman what he would like. What would you like today? Would you like some perk chops? Would you like something? Let's go ahead and look in these freezers. I see some raw chicken. I love raw chicken, guys. There's no other way to eat it but raw. Also, raw perk chops. I'm seeing kind of like everything's raw, which obviously it makes sense if it is in the freezer. But I mean, put some cooked stuff in there, because I don't want to eat raw rabbit. Who wants to eat raw rabbit? You know, I don't even like cooked rabbit, to be honest, guys. But do you, sir? Do you want some cooked rabbit? No, he don't. He's afraid of rabbit, to be honest. But you know what? I gotta get cashed out. So go ahead, sir. Cash me out. What? He's running away from me. Oh my god, you know what? I guess I'm just gonna have to cash myself out, like a self-checkout. So let's go ahead and open this up and put some arrows in there, guys, because that should make up for what I took. That really should make up for what I took. Alright, guys, I'm leaving now. So I might be back in the future. I just don't know how long it's gonna take me to go back. You know what? I'm going to go in there and I'm going to blow it up with some TNT, because I know you guys love to see these dimensions get blown up with TNT just to see what exactly happens. I kind of love blowing them up as well, guys. Let's go and lock him in. Look at him. Now he can't get out. We locked him in the freezers. Pretty soon, he will be a frozen villager. Although I heard if you unfreeze the villagers, they will come back to life, guys. So you can freeze them and then unfreeze them, and then, you know, they'll still be alive. But let's go ahead and lay all that TNT down, and now it's time to blow it up, guys. Oh my god, guys, this is going to be an absolutely massive explosion. Boom. Oh my gosh. Whoa, did you guys see that? Oh my god, it almost hit the ceiling. Wow! That was a massive explosion, and it took out the freezers. It took out the freezers. I think it also took out that frozen villager. Wow. I cannot believe this, guys. I thought they might have a basement, though, like where they keep all their like good food and like good electronics and whatnot, but they don't have a basement. I mean, that does kind of surprise me. But it don't surprise me that much because it seems like they keep all electronics outside, safely protected by lava. As you guys seen, my pig try to get some electronics, and it just didn't. It wasn't a happy ending for him. It didn't work for him. But wow, look at this Walmart. It looks fixable, to be honest, guys. Like, this Walmart took the explosion like really good. Like, most of the time when you explode these kind of places, like, it's absolute mayhem and like everything's gone. But it looks like he took it pretty good. And oh my gosh, was I just missing where the electronics were? I bet you guys the electronics was on that side of the wall. Let's go ahead and jump on over there, guys. This is obviously where they kept all electronics, and they obviously sold out. So my pig went for no reason at all, guys. It was not in the lava semi-truck, guys. Like, oh my god, I cannot believe I did that to my pig, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!